Okay, hold on.
Jesus Christ. No, I don't like it. Don't shove too hard, bud. Yeah, because they go into a straight piece of pipe. You gotta get that past that Y. Hold on, let me get a new pair. Is it going in?
Yeah, oh yeah, I got it almost all the way in. Some stuff come off, but I don't think that's really gonna matter right now. With dry gloves, we have a good oh no, we need to get a good connection right here.
Grab a hold of the bottom of that, Jason.